reason why we're not moving to the UK. Morning. Good morning. I guess we're back. Ta-da! Ayan. Just taking Lily to school. Si Aiden tulog pa. And yung tita Sassy naman din nila tulog pa. So, pag nagisingin si Aiden, yung tita nila yung kukulitin niya. Dumi na naman ang ating sasakyan. Get in the car, baba. Anak, seatbelt, ha? Okay, let's go. Should we get gas first? Welcome back to our channel, or should I say, welcome back to me, sa aming channel. It's been a while. Again. So maraming nangyari this past few weeks that we've been gone. I apologize sa sa bigla naming pagkawala. Isang Kuya June? Big boss, school bus, oh. There, on the side. You see them? It's there.
Nina's there, and Amelia's there.
Can they see you?
Yeah, they see.
Okay, I'll take you to school now, okay? So a lot of things have happened in the past few weeks. Una na dyan is Aiden goes to OT na ulit. But, negative part doon is that sa Cavite located yung OT center na inatanan ni Lily. Inatanan ni Aiden. So the reason for that is because yung OT teacher niya dito sa BGC nag-resign na sa therapy center because she opened her own therapy center. So I'm so proud of her. I'm so happy for her. Congratulate ko siya. And then, turns out, may slot na available na 2 sessions per week. So super duper happy kami about that. Aiden got in. So, sabi ko, you know what? Tatanggapin ko na itong 2. Igagrab ko na itong 2 session per week kahit na malayo. At least na therapy si Aiden. Yung speech, nasa wait list pa siya. I'm also in the lookout for speech therapy, which is yun yung pinakakailangan niya kasi wala pang available sa BGC and then also sa Cavite. Parang meron lang na available, mid-pad ng March. Pero ibang therapy center, kasi sa Cavite siya. So, igagrab ko na din yun kasi at least may ma-attendan siyang speech therapy. And with Lily is going to school na. Meron din bad news na pagdating kay ate. Kasi si ate naman, nagkakaroon siya ng problem with parang sa bullying. Hindi ko na mabanggitin kasi masyado into details kasi dito siya. We're trying to work through it, pero ilang beses siya saktan, as in physical. So this happened parang this last month, on February. So pag pinuot ko siya to transfer, hindi na yun, parang hindi, may hirapan na siya. But every day, hinatid ko siya, and make sure I check on her, pinagdadala ko na siya ng phone. So whenever something happened, message me right away kasi talagang susugod ako. Pupunta ako talaga sa school, hindi ako papayag. Sabi ko sa kanya. And sabi niya naman, okay mami, ganyan. Come on, we're here na. So last term na nila ito. And sabi ko sa kanya, tapusin na lang namin. But at least we're aware. And aware as teacher. And my heart is breaking for fine in school?
What?
Are you gonna be fine in school?
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. Anything happen, you let me know right away. Okay, I'll bring you there na. Because I think there's enough students na inside. I get worried eh. That if you go inside the school and then there's not much people on it. Kiss na mama. Love you.
Love you too.
Have a good day in school. There. Go Lily. Have fun. Love you. And I think kahit sa ang school naman, merong, alam mo, hindi may iwasan na merong talagang batang, cute. Na nakakainis, char. Pasad lang, kasi yung gumagawa nun sa kanya, lalaki. Diba? Parang kalalaki mo pa namang tao. Ay, bata pa. Lalaki mo pa namang bata. Tapos, ganyan ka. Stress. Easter. Come on, let's go. Ayan, Easter naman po. We don't want to be late, do we? We don't want to be late. Don't want to be late. You want peanut butter sandwich? You want peanut butter sandwich?
Auntie got peanut butter.
Mommy got peanut butter sandwich in there. You want one? Huh?
Yeah.
Say yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Peanut butter sandwich?
I got it.
Look, I have peanut butter sandwich. So you have to eat that gummy now. Eat your gummy. So you can have your sandwich.
Gummy,
Oh, eat your gummy now.
gummy, and peanut butter sandwich.
Yeah. Eat na. And guys, on the way na tayo. And this is one of the reason na sobrang busy ako recently, since may OT na si Aiden sa Cavite, ang biyahe namin is 1 hour papunta, 1 hour pabalik. And luckily, we have auntie. Wala si auntie, I don't think possible na makabiyahe kami pa Cavite twice a week. And si mama, hindi naman namin makasama lagi dyan sa BGC kasi mas komportable siya na sa bahay niya natutulog. So, okay lang naman yun. So, ayun. So, pag nagkaroon ng speech, nag-start yung speech therapy ni Aiden, yung biyahe namin na ganito pa Cavite, magiging 3 times a week na. You have to eat your gummy na. So, si Aiden kasi guys, naka-supplement. So, yung nirecommend sa kanya ng kanyang DevPed is DHA. So, gummy siya. Pwede rin naman yung powder niya halo sa juice or sa water. Hindi bet ni Aiden yung flavor na ganon. So, I decided to get the gummy. So, yung gummy, lemon at saka berries ata yung available nila. Hindi masyadong bet ni Aiden, pero kinakain pa rin naman niya. Kaya lang ginagawa niya, hinahayaan niya lang sa bibig niya with milk. First, coffee. Coffee jelly, please.
For your website.
Atol lang.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank
Can I
you.
get your name of your order?
Charo. C-H-A-R-O. Eat na. Oh, drink your water. Drink water first. Okay, drink your water. Show mama. have to chew it. I guess nom nom nom, so yummy. Like that. Hindi yung bila mo nilulunok kung bata ka. Thank you. Thank you. So yun guys, so si Aiden nasa taas na. So natiguro si Aiden mga 40 minutes ago. Maya susunduin ko na siya ulit kasi yung therapy niya is 1 hour. Para mga 50 to 55 minutes yung kanyang therapy. And then yung 5 minutes is parang to discuss kung ano ginawa nila for today. So while waiting, nag-e-edit ako. Ayan, o. May time na ako mag-edit. Para may mapanood na kayong video. So sana matuloy-tuloy natin ito, no? Bago babiyahe na naman tayo for 1 hour to go home na. So, another update, hindi na po kami tutuloy sa pag-move sa UK. So ito na naman tayo mga Mino. Parang nakikinikinita ko na yung inyong mga reaksyon na ano ba yan? Iba na naman. Bago kayo ng plano. Chill lang, chill lang. So that's easy as that. And nagigets ko naman yung frustration ng mga nagko-comment kadalasan. Ba't iba na naman yung plano nyo? Ba't hindi na naman hindi ka mapakali? The thing is guys, it's not as easy as you think. Na parang porket kasal kami ng asawa ko, makakalipat na ako doon anytime. I can go for a visit. Pwede ako mag-tourist visa doon. But then, yung limit is like parang 6 months. Tapos what? I have to leave again. Yes, po pwede ako mag-apply for marriage visa or partner visa. But then, kailangan ma-reach ni Mr. yung income threshold na tinatawag nila para ma-petition niya ako doon. Tama ba? Petition ba yung tawag doon? Ma-sponsor niya ako doon. So, pwede i-include yung kita ko. Kailangan kita lang niya. And tumaas yung kanilang threshold parang last year ata. Inabutan kami noon. Tumaas siya ng 29,000 pounds per year. And yung job na meron si Phil sa UK is hindi umaabot doon. So for that almost 1 year na nasa UK siya, he couldn't find a job na makaka-reach dun sa threshold niya. It wasn't easy din para sa kanya kumuha ng parang part-time jobs na for like parang grocery store, kasi pati grocery store talagang nag-a-apply siya para lang meron siyang night job. So it's been almost 1 year and he's not been successful in getting a job na abot yung threshold nga. So bad news yun, but good news naman, meron siyang job na inaantay. Parang more than 1 year na niya inaantay itong work na to. Nasa Pilipinas pa siya, naantay niya itong trabaho na to. And then na-offer sa kanya. But, itong trabaho na to is not in the UK. So kahit na hindi matutuloy, or for now, hindi matutuloy yung plan namin, at least he got an opportunity to get a job na talaga that pays well somewhere else. So yun nga lang, he will be in the Middle East for 11 months per year. So medyo matagal-tagal din kami hindi magkikita. Mas hindi na possible yung pag-move namin sa UK for now. We can't say pa in the future, pero for now, parang okay na muna kami to settle with this arrangement. At least, you know, we can save, he can go back to yung work talaga na gusto niya than just any work na kikita siya, you know. At least yung trabaho niya or tinatrabaho niya ngayon has something to do with oil and gas, which is yun yung kanyang experience, yun yung kanyang field, kumbaga. Anyway, sundo na tayo kay Aiden. I'm not sure kung clear ba yung pagkaka-explain ko ng reason why we're not moving to the UK. So, kung ma-frustrate kayo, naiintindihan ko. But imagine how much frustration we get pa compared dun sa frustration ninyo. Oh, done! Did you have fun?
Did you have fun?
Huh?
Did you see fun?
What?
Did you have fun?
Did you have fun? Yes! Tignan nyo guys yung baon ko. May baon kami ni Aiden. So siya, dinalan ko ng hiningal talaga ako. Peanut butter sandwich. This one. Peanut butter sandwich. Then, si Mommy, may sandwich din.
Mommy got another one.
Mommy got a sandwich.
Mommy got another one sandwich.
Yeah. Akin naman, ham sandwich na may mayo tsaka butter.
Go! I'm ready to stay inside to go.
You wanna go home na? Okay. Uwi na daw kami. Kala ko mag-iaya pa pag kumain sa
Mommy, are you
fast
ready?
food. Hindi na.
Mommy, are you ready?
Hmm?
Mommy, are you ready?
Yeah, but mommy's eating pa eh. Uwi na si AA. Okay, fine. Let's go home. Let's go!
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.